Hi, I'm Chad, and today we're at Spring Mountain Motor Resort out here in Pahrump, Nevada, riding a new track for the first time. So super excited today. Also going to be riding my Daytona 675R for the first time since I repaired the crash damage following my last CRA race weekend. Super excited to see how that goes, as well as to test out my brand new Brembo 19 RCS Master Cylinder. So we're headed to the riders meeting, and we're going to go ahead and get started after that. All right, so fortunately not going to be able to vlog today because they don't allow helmet-mounted cameras. So no GoPro on the chin, no mic. Just going to be able to secure the GoPro to the bike and get some footage that way. We'll try to make commentary on how the bike's feeling and everything in between sessions, but naturally me being Chad, saddled the first one. So we've got about 30 minutes from right now, or literally the snap of a finger for you, until the next session begins. But I'm excited to get out there and just see how the bike's feeling and the brake master. hard first session. I was so lost, and man, I wish you guys could have heard me in my helmet. Oh, that was terrifying. I think I almost ran off the track at least like 4, 5, 6 times, but I think I'm starting to figure it out now, starting to get some reference points, brake markers, but yeah, it's a very technical track, very difficult. Going out for the next session in just a sec, and hopefully we'll pick up a little bit more speed and feel a little bit more comfortable. Also, Brembo 19 RCS, that is an insane master cylinder. That bite scared the crap out of me the first time I went for the brakes, first few times actually, so it works. That's good, but gonna get a little bit more comfortable with that too. Second session done. Riding a skateboard right now, but starting to feel better. Figured out where I'm going and instantly trimmed off time. First session, best time was a 2:05.44. Got down to a 2:01.92 with some traffic, so confident I will go under 2 minutes. I'm gonna put the configuration down below here. So I'm not sure what it is. I think it's north-south, but yeah, feeling good, having fun now. Great track, feels super smooth. Bike's feeling great, just like it did before as far as I can remember. It's doing everything that I'm asking it to. I might be able to run a softer suspension setup over here just because the track is so smooth. It's way smoother than anything that I'm used to riding, much smoother than Button Willow and even smoother than Chuckwalla. So I could definitely run a softer setup, but I don't know if I want to tinker with it today. But yeah, the bike feels good. Really happy about that. It's doing everything it should. That master cylinder is insane. That initial bite is killer. It's really scared me the first couple times I used it, but now I'm making friends with it, and it's nice because you don't really need to put a lot of pressure into it, and it's super, super consistent. Big fan so far, but having a great time. Looking forward to getting back out after our lunch break. getting a little bit better there, ran off, just didn't really have a brake marker there. I've just been trying to go on that by reference. I really need to find something that's a little bit better though for that. That's turn 3 and it's just messing me up every time. So gotta work there, but man, this place is so cool. I really like the track. It's actually been pretty hard on my tires, but I think that might be because I'm running too low of a pressure in the rear. The rear is getting chewed up pretty bad, but that's an awesome track. The surface is super smooth, a lot of grip. Feels good. I'm having a blast out here. It's beautiful. But one of the things that's really cool about this place, there are multiple events going on right now. So we have Corvettes doing autocross with the Ron Fellows Drivers Academy right now. And I saw a couple other sports cars that were like personal cars that might be doing some other event here. So it's a pretty big campus. It's really awesome. They even have like houses and stuff here, condos or something with garages below them. Way too cool. If it were, you know, consistently 15 to 20 degrees cooler, I think I'd want to live here. I think I'd just move to Spring Mountain in Nevada and never leave. Such an awesome facility, very cool. The track's difficult, it's very technical as you've seen. A lot of slow corners and you got a lot of fast sections that lead into slow corners. So a lot of hard braking going on. 19 RCS is doing a great job handling it. It's just, I'm the weak link right now for sure. That, and I think my suspension could either be a little bit softer again, and I can work on my pressures a little bit on the tires, but overall this has been a fun day so far. We've got 3 more sessions available to us. Not sure if I'm gonna ride all of them or if I might just do 2, but yeah, I'm excited to do some more riding, so let's get to that. much different from what I'm used to with Buttonwillow and with Chuckwalla. A lot more slow corners, and just the way you come into them with a lot of speed just makes them very difficult, a lot of hard braking. But I had a blast, awesome track, beautiful facility, and I would definitely come back here. It's incredible. Got like condos over there. There's garages on the other side of them. Got some more over there. Look at these like houses out here too. They have like multiple racetracks. And what a day. Daytona felt really good, just like it did before I crashed it. So really happy with that. I did catch a little teeny bit of brake fluid that came out of what looked like the bleeder screw on the 19 RCS, but I think it might have just been a little bit of seepage that was left over and ran down the master cylinder. I tried torquing it again and it was tight, so, but man, that master cylinder was insane. The initial bite is insane. It's got way more power to it, way more sensitive, but I'm gonna talk a little bit more about that in another video. But anyways, good times. So we're all loaded up, heading home. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would sincerely appreciate it if you gave me a gentle little click of the like button and consider subscribing for more motorcycling content. I like to go to racetracks. I'm an amateur club racer. I also do street riding with my 210 V4 Factory, my WR250X Supermoto. So I like motorcycles. If you do too, drop a comment below. Let's talk about motorcycles, or if you've been to the track before and what you think about it. Or if you want to go to the racetrack, let's talk about motorcycles and racetracks. But thanks again so much for watching. I'll have to catch you in the next one. Until then, later.